couldn't comment on his employment status.
It's never a good idea to pass a police officer whose car is going the speed limit.
Like, wait a minute.
It's almost always going to be.
Are you sure you were going the speed limit? Because
I questioned him about that.
Yeah, right. I mean, that usually doesn't go that well either when you reverse the questioning. All right, let's go ahead and show you what's going on. We start with this, you guys. Now, this is a visible satellite loop, and actually, this was an image that was taken at 1:59 p.m. Now, the area circled here, this is not cloud cover. This is actually blowing sand off of white sands on those wicked southwesterly winds across the southeasterly portion of the state here. And it's just one of the things that was happening throughout the day today. We didn't have a tremendous amount of moisture across most of the state, so any moisture we did see in some areas was definitely overwhelmed by the 50 to 70 mile an hour wind gusts. And as you start pushing those wind gusts across the sand and across the dirt here in the metro area, we had a pretty dirty day as far as the air quality goes. And along US 285 across the southeast, a lot of accidents there. In the Albuquerque metro area, well, we had the fugitive dust alert. What does that even mean? Well, we don't even know really what it means, but obviously the air quality was pretty bad because it was brown, so we'll just assume that's what they meant. 40 degrees right now in the metro. Southwest winds at 7 miles an hour. So thankfully the winds have come down a bit. 20s and 30s to the north, down to the south, 30s and 40s. Winds have calmed too, but we're still sustained at 30 in Raton. And for you guys across the northeast, it's still going to be another windy day tomorrow, but everybody else gets a break. You can see most of the action still up into Colorado. Our next storm system sitting off the west coast. That approaches for Thursday and Friday. But until we get to Thursday, tomorrow looks like a pretty good day in between storm systems here as the latest storm pulls its way out. We start to see the winds relax at least for a day. With mostly sunny skies tomorrow, going to look pretty good. It'll be a little cool in spots, especially to start the day, but by the afternoon, very, very nice. Then we get ready for this next storm system. The problem with this one, too, is that it's going to go pretty far to the north, so we're not going to necessarily be the focus of the preset, but what we will see here is another big-time wind day on Thursday and into Friday as well, especially across the east side of the state here. But this storm is also going to pack some moisture, so the question is, by the time we hit Friday, will it be as bad as what we had today or even worse? Probably not worse. As we get into Thursday, we get those winds 40 to 50 miles an hour. Now, here's the thing with this next storm going to the north on Thursday and Friday. It is going to push a front down through the northern part of the state and really across the state as a whole. It will produce some snow. I do think across especially southwest Colorado, another pretty good snowstorm out of this deal, and then that cold air slides across the rest of the state. But as it does into Friday, we get those winds again on Friday with temperatures that are going to be pretty cool. So it's not going to be particularly pleasant by Thursday and Friday with limited snow. Hopefully we'll get some, but it's not going to be the kind of situation where it's going to be a big-time preset maker. 30s and 40s across southern Colorado tomorrow, and then Thursday, Friday, get ready for another storm. Same deal across the northwest with temperatures here 40s and 50s, southwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour, and that chance of snow showers goes into Friday. 61 Deming, 64 Las Cruces, and 62 in TRC. Southwest winds 10 to 20 tomorrow. Over to the southeast, nice day, a little breezy, but temperatures pretty mild. 73 Roswell, 77 in Carlsbad, all the way to 80 on Thursday. North and east, this is going to be interesting. It's going to be windy again tomorrow, and then yes, windy Thursday into Friday, but we could grab a couple snow showers early on Friday morning with a high Friday of only 43 in Las Vegas. Northern mountains, we'll get another shot at the resorts getting some accumulating snow Thursday night into Friday. Tomorrow, though, just a wind deal, and into the metro area and across the east mountains, temperatures out of the west, or excuse me, temperatures in the 50s, winds out of the west, 10 to 20 miles an hour. In downtown, temps 50s and 60s, less wind. And here in the city, we're mainly looking at a cool down with wind Thursday and Friday, much less in the way of precip, but maybe we could squeeze out a shower, but not a lot, yes.
Crime Stoppers is offering a reward for the fugitive
Fugitive
dust. We knew that was coming.
Yes.
Sports is next.